Hello, my name is Saul from DSI Dental Solutions and you are watching my video blog. Today I'm excited to share with you not one, but two toolkits that can be true lifesavers in your daily practice, especially if we speak of the busy clinics with walk-in patients. In the ever-evolving dental implant market, we are faced with abundance of platforms, manufacturers, and a myriad of options for abutments and prosthetics. This great variety, while advantageous, can sometimes pose a challenge, especially when you inherit a patient with a unique, unknown platform from another doctor or clinic. In these cases, finding the right tool can be a headache, especially if we typically work with one or two familiar implant systems. That's where our universal driver kits come in. These kits are designed to solve those situations instead of scrabbling in your inventory, trying to call different implant company reps because patients not always even know what he has inside his mouth, ordering drivers, paying for overnight shipping, and all this still while not being sure if it will fit your patient system at the end of the day. So our kits just provide you a flexibility and compatibility needed to handle virtually any platform you encounter. No more guesswork. These universal kits keep you always prepared to help your patients. Let's take a closer look. The Fixture driver kit includes drivers for 6 most popular dental platforms by leading implant systems, each one available as the contra-angle and torque ratchet types. For your convenience, we put the codes and small pictograms, while N states for novel RP-NP, O is for Ostem, Hyosen, S Stroman, Z Zimmer and internal hex Israeli brands, and Dentium is D. And just as I mentioned, each one is presented as the ratchet key for torque ratchet, or as the handpiece driver with the latch grip that you could connect to your surgical handpiece. And of course, this kit wouldn't be called universal if it would fit only to the brands I've mentioned previously, since it's not a secret that many brands' platforms are cross-compatible. Let's make a simulation. Here is unknown random implant that all information that we have is that it internal hex 2.4. So we would go for the Zimmer, which is 2.4 internal hex. Let's try it out and see how it would go. The tool is inserted with a satisfying click and securely fixated by the grip ring, which is available on each driver. After we place the implant, we could restore it using the prosthetic driver kit I will show you just in a while. Made from high quality hardened S420 surgical steel, reusable, autoclavable. Saves time, optimizes workflow, eliminating the need for extra screwdrivers. Easy to store and ideal for daily use in clinical settings. The implant prosthetic driver kit is used to fasten or remove implant prosthetics of all types. This kit is compatible with the majority of implant systems. The drivers provided have a contra-angle latch for slow speed connection, but also able to be used with a wrench, and for those that prefer handheld use, the thumb knob adapter is also provided. A short and long driver are provided for each system. The length is 12 mm and 17 mm respectively. The attention to detail and commitment to using high-quality materials ensures that the product remains reliable long-term, even on daily use. Let's look closer what are the connection styles provided. It's 1.25 hexagonal driver, which is good for the DSI, Zimmer Implant Direct by Horizon, Astra, MIS, Dentium, Dentis. 1.2 drivers, which are Ostem, Hyosen, Biomed, Megagen, Southern Implants, Neo Biotech, Dio. 1.3 for Platon, Japanese platform. Unigrip for Nobel Biocare brand mark, Neos, and Torx Star, which is Straumann. This range covers the most of possible prosthetic combination. Just for example, if you want to remove the scan post and you don't know the platform, you could check through the kit one by one and you will definitely find the driver that will fit. Each one is laser marked, so you could know how to return them back after the autoclave or when you need to order the refills. And just like that, the part have been successfully removed. With those two kits, you are prepared for every possible scenario.
Brought to you by DSI.